Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 9 subject English. Today I will explain paraphrasing and stanza comprehension of unit 15 Abu bin Adham. So read the first stanza. Abu bin Adham, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. You know about the translation of this lesson. Paraphrasing, one night Abu bin Adham, may God increase his descendants, got up from a very sound sleep and saw in the moonlight an angel in his room. The angel was busy in writing something in a golden book. Sunehri kitab. The presence of the angel, farishte ki मौजूदगी, had added the beauty of the room. कमरे की खूबसूरती बढ़ा दी. The room looked like a lily flower in its full bloom, खिल जाना. Exceeding peace had made bin Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord answered, the names of those who loved the Lord. Though there was great silence in the room of Abu bin Adam, he did not get frightened. He said to the angel, what are you writing? The angel raised its head from the book and looked at Abu bin Adam very kindly. Shafqat se, it said to Abu, I am writing the names of those people who love their God. Third stanza. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low but cheerily still and said, I pray thee, then write me as one that loves his fellow man. Fellow man. Abu bin Adam said to the angel, is my name included, shamil hona, in the list of those people who love their God? The angel replied, jawab dena, no, your name is not included in the list. Abu did not lose courage, hosla, at the negative reply of the angel. He said to the negative reply, यानी कि नफ़ी में जवाब देना, नहीं में जवाब देना. जब फरिश्ते ने उनको कहा कि आपका नाम उन लोगों में शामिल नहीं है जो अल्लाह से प्यार करते हैं. He said to the angel in a low but happy mood, खुशगवार मिजाज, I request you to include my name in the list of those people who love human beings. Stanza 4. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed, and lo, bin Adam's name led all the rest. The angel wrote his name and disappeared. The following night the angel re-entered Abu's room. Disappeared, गायब होना, with more dazzling light, चमकदार रोशनी. This time the angel showed Abu a list of those people who had been blessed with the love of God. Abu were greatly surprised to see. Abu greatly, this is not a word. Abu greatly surprised to see that his name had been written at the top of the list. Surprised, हैरान रह जाना. Come to stanza comprehension. First one stanza. What did Abu bin Adam ask the angel? Abu bin Adam asked the angel whether his name had been included in the list of those people who love God. What did the angel reply? The angel replied that his name had not been included in the list of list. This is word list, list of those people who love God. What request did Abu bin Adam make? Abu bin Adam requested, darkhwast karna, that his name may be written in the list of those people who loved human beings. Question number 4. What did the angel do after writing the request of Abu bin Adam? The angel left the room after writing the request of Abu bin Adam. Stanza 2 questions. Question number 1. How did the angel come again? The angel came again with more dazzling light, more shine. What did the angel show to Abu bin Adam? The angel showed Abu bin Adam a list of those people who had been blessed with the love of God. What made Abu bin Adam surprised? किस चीज़ ने उसको हैरान कर दिया? Abu bin Adam surprised to see his name at the top of the list. Question number 4. What does the word lo mean? We have read this word in our previous lesson. So, what does the word lo mean? The word lo means to look at, dekhna or see. It is used for calling attention, tawajjah, to a surprising thing. Memorize this verb. Stay safe at home. God bless you.